Check this out guys, this is a wireless solar rechargeable security camera by Cinnado. Packed with a 3 megapixel 2K resolution, motion detection, color night vision, alert siren, audio talk, it's waterproof, cloud or memory card storage. Works on a standard 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Can be controlled by the Van's View app. Inside the box there are some surveillance stickers, a quick start guide, a diagram sticker to align where you want the backplate installed, fixings, Type-C charge cable, and finally the security camera by Cinnado. At the top there is a tough built solar panel, camera, sensor, night vision infrared, speakers, mic, a Type-C charge slot, micro SD card slot, power and reset button. Download the Van's View app. Follow the instructions to pair your device. Make sure to turn on your location. Scan the QR code using the security camera.
QR code scan is successful. Wi-Fi is connected. The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now.
Remember guys, how quick the footage rolls depends on your Wi-Fi connection. There's many features in the app just like the Ring app, such as motion detection, siren, talk and audio, and light mode. While you're live, you can also record the exact footage or take a picture.
What's going on, guys? I hope you can hear me loud and clearly.
A super bright floodlight that lights up the surrounding areas. A wide angle lens to capture the vast majority of the area. From here you can see that the camera is charging from using the solar panel. Overall guys, it's an easy setup. It's wireless, it's got a super bright floodlight. Great to have these on your driveway or in the garden, or you can literally have it based in your home. I will carry out more tests on the battery and usage, and I will keep you guys updated. Stay safe, peace.